में अगर उसका 1% कंसिस्टेंट हमने करियर के लिए होती ना, आज मेरी 6 फिगर सैलरी पक्की थी भाई. Hi guys, welcome back to Sip Happens. I'm Ishita,
I'm Aditi.
I'm Priyanshi.
and in today's episode, if you're expecting a gyan from us, that's not happening because today we talk about ourselves, our friendship, because we are narcissist people, and Fridays are the days for narcissism. So let's get into this episode.
So, what advice would you give to yourself in relation to the friendships you have had in the childhood, or the people you have dealt with, or people you have been with? उस regarding क्या बोलोगे अपने आप को?
Hmm.
Deep thought.
I think I would advise my younger self to not be too real.
Then yeah, I just say कि you don't have to like impress everyone around you. Like even if you have just 2 or 3 real friends, that's enough. And you do not need to be the best looking or the most perfect person in the room. Like just carry your confidence and embrace what is there in you.
Yeah, and also you need not to be the most popular in your class.
Yeah. You don't have to be that it girl because those it girlies are nowhere now.
They are somewhere, but you don't know where they are.
Somewhere, but we don't know where they are.
Yeah. What advice
For
would
me, you do not need to keep every single person in your life, because they are like tabs on a Chrome. And if you don't close them, they might crash.
but also I would suggest, the earlier you detach yourself with comparisons, the happier you would be. Yeah, the younger self, I will tell myself to not compare and just be confident. I'm not saying that you just give up on learning new things, but be more confident and positive about yourself.
Right. Like don't compare and also do not expect anything from other people. Like I think so. One thing which I'd say or like advice is to ki do whatever you want to, like help people, but on the other hand, do not expect anything out of the same. Like if people are doing it for you, good. Not doing it, be happy and move on. Like do not expect anything from other people or anybody for that matter.
My
But
heart.
guys,
Because बिकॉज
the
आई थिंक सो
fact
कि जो मोस्टली फ्रेंडशिप ब्रेकअप्स मेरे हुए हैं वो इस वजह से हुआ और इसलिए मुझे उन्होंने ज्यादा हर्ट करा है क्योंकि आई केप्ट एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स कि ओके दे विल स्टे विद मी फॉरएवर और दे विल बी देयर व्हेन आई नीड देम बट इट डिड नॉट हैपन एंड सो आई वाज हर्ट एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक गेट सैड मोर ऑफ्टन सो मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ मतलब एक्सपेक्ट ही मत करो लाइक जस्ट बी अ गुड फ्रेंड एंड मूव ऑन
Which means
तुम्हें हमसे कोई expectations नहीं है फिर
वही मैं कहने
बट यू आप लोग ने मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस पूरी करी है ना
so
एंड
you
आपने
have
मुझे
not
हर्ट नहीं करा है I think so. Now I've stopped having, but I used to have. And जो
तुमने ऐसा
पुराने
क्या किया
नहीं मतलब you guys are still here on the screen with me, so कुछ तो करा ही होगा.
I also feel भाई what she's saying makes sense. पता है क्या? Because it's like कि आज अगर अदिति मेरे को कॉल करे और मैं उसका कॉल आई कांट आंसर हर कॉल और वो उस चीज को दिल से लगा के बैठे तो it's also a kind of expectation, right? That my friend has to be
Right.
there for me every time I need her.
Yeah.
So that is, I think, उससे I think दोस्तियां टूटती तो है. And I think our friendship has lasted this long because it was never a barter, okay?
Right.
Longest time we couldn't speak to Priyanshi, but she's still there. And I think that is what friendship is about.
Yeah.
I mean
Whenever
friendships are
barter,
very low maintenance ना कि आपको इतना effort नहीं डालना है. You know that if you don't talk to your friend for 3 months and then you meet them after so long, you'll pick up from right where you left, and that is the beauty of friendships. And
I think so. Whenever barter is involved, mostly friendships break only because then what happens कि एक फ्रेंड को दूसरे फ्रेंड से हमेशा कंप्लेन ही होती है कि तू मिला नहीं मुझसे मैं तुझे इस टाइम कॉल किया था तूने फोन नहीं उठाया मैं ही हमेशा कॉल करता हूँ मैं ही हमेशा टेक्स्ट करता हूँ Ishita hiding her face but yeah
I'm never serious about that stuff, honestly. वो तो मुझे ऐसे ही बीच बीच में ऐसा तुमको poke करने
but hats off to Ishita I'd say one thing she has called me for 20 days straight and मैंने कुछ reply नहीं करा है I have not even answered a like phone or anything and I was like dude man I love this girl because how can someone be this consistent and this good like that is what friendship is
you
she was afraid of losing you probably इस वजह से.
अगर उसका 1% कंसिस्टेंट हमने करियर के लिए होती ना आज मेरी 6 फिगर सैलरी पक्की थी भाई. Bye, I tell you. Now that she has picked that up, bro, I was in Bombay, okay? Flight थी वापस. You remember? And Aditi called me. And Aditi was like, I think कोई तो था, उससे मिलना था. And I was like, bro, I'm very sleepy and stuff. तो you go, मैं बाद में आती हूँ. But then I slept, ठीक है. And उसके बाद when I woke up, I was really scared कि भाई अभी अदिति गुस्सा करेगी या पक्का गुस्सा नहीं भी करेगी तो ऐसा कोल्ड बिहेवियर करेगी. So I called her, ठीक है. She did not answer. And then she ऐसा sent me a text message कि I'll call you back later. And bro, मेरी flight है, ठीक है. And I was like, bro, I am going back to Delhi. At least meet me. And she did not fucking answer my call. I called her before my flight was about to take off. She did not answer my call. And I was so worried. Is this girl angry? What happened? I'm like, bhai, मेरा ऐसा problem है. I really don't care about people इतना if they're not answering. But भाई अगर अदिति और तुम phone, I'm like, what have I done? And you know my problem is कि I have this capacity and capability to do shit, ठीक है. So that is my insecurity also. And the moment I landed, I called Priyanshi. I was like, she's not answering my call. Can you call her and ask what happened? But I still kept calling her. I was like, एक दिन तो
Bro,
माँ
I
के
was just lazy and I was just lazy to talk. That was the reason I did not pick up the phone. And
और मेरे को
after,
इशिता को लगा that you are angry or hurt or
no, I was
something.
not angry. There was no reason to get angry. Like I had no reason. मतलब उसने मुझे बोला कि like you're going to sleep or something. और मेरे को उतना था भी नहीं कि you should come and meet this person. But I was like so lazy. उसके बाद मैंने बोला ठीक है मैं उठाऊंगी और वो उठाऊंगी करते करते 10-15 days passed और मेरे को खुद से ऐसे इतना बुरा लगने लगा कि shit what have I done?
bro, what happened? I was like, दो ही दोस्त है उसमें एक भी गुस्सा हो गया. I was left with one. I was then talking out with Priyanshi to mediate if something happened.
And see, having this friendship, like how my friends are, people out there complain ऐसे कभी कभी कि you do not pick up my call. And I'm like कि bro, मेरे दोस्तों ने मेरे को चढ़ा के रखा है कि मैं फोन नहीं उठाती हूँ. They are still there waiting कि हाँ ठीक है she'll come back. And people expect कि मैं तुरंत फोन उठाऊँ या फिर तुरंत respond करूँ. And then they'll get angry कि oh, why have I not responded to their calls or texts? So I'm like, yeah, I have my friends who will wait for me. You guys can
because
take
they
your
have to
leave.
work. No friend except you, yes.
Because they know my value. They know my value.
Priyanshi, good. Priyanshi always answers the call.
Priyanshi always answers.
I think I'm बाद में but Priyanshi answers. You तो go on silent mode, bro. The first time I was about to go to Bombay, bro, मैं 2 दिन पहले अदिति को कॉल करती हूँ कि bro, will you come and pick me up? She's not answering the call, and my mom is asking me. I'm like, she's not answering. If she does not come, I don't know where to go.
भाई अदिति
Hey,
का कॉल
come
इज
no.
फाइन बट वो टेक्स्ट पे आई डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट हर टू रिप्लाई. आई डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट. मुझे इतना पता है मेरा मैसेज देख लिया गया, एक्नॉलेज कर लिया गया, बट मुझे पता है वो रिप्लाई नहीं आने वाला है.
And I love you guys for that. Like I really do.
अदिति को conversation होता है, ठीक है? I'm sending voice note, she's sending voice note. Suddenly, Aditi,
गायब.
and I'm sending 6 voice notes. उसके बाद I'm like, Aditi. You know, but I also think, do you think you should be friends with like-minded people or a bit different-minded people?
So I think so. Like-minded people, like partners, where you can go with.
Not like-minded. If you see, ऐसा individually, our personalities are very.
No, our personalities are different, but our core beliefs are similar. Our personalities are a lot different, but our core beliefs and values and what we think about certain things, that is very similar. Like we don't want to get married.
That. Yeah.
Like we know men are shit, and they are.
I think every girl would align on this. Everybody is like-minded when it comes to a topic related to a man.
Yep. And I think so back then when we became friends, like Ishta and I, like जितनी मैं बदतमीज थी उतना इश्ता भी थी.
अदिति बदतमीज थी?
ब्रो मैं थी. हाँ
भाई, I'll not sugarcoat it, ठीक है? Aditi was my friend because she was बदतमीज.
हाँ ब्रो, एंड आई यूज्ड टू लाइक जितना मेरे को झगड़ना है लोगों से, इश्ता भी एकदम फुल मोड. इसलिए आई थिंक सो वी बॉन्डेड सो मच.
Priyanshi का से Priyanshi and I were friends because we aligned academically. More than personalities. तुम्हारा मेरा personality का ठीक है था. But Priyanshi मेरा ऐसा था कि we used to ऐसा solve math questions together. That is how our friendship grew, to be honest.
Of our maths teacher, so she could throw us out of the class.
Yeah. We wanted to be smart kids who knew everything.
Yeah, and with you and Priyanshi bonding together, I think so Priyanshi came in the equation, and then I also became friends with her.
फिर 11th में शिता ने हमारा साथ छोड़ के दूसरा स्कूल
हाँ
ज्वाइन किया.
Priyanshi से I became close पहले तो school trip पे, and then again I was distant because our sections got changed, and then we have to be together because we took maths and we were in. So 11th 12th में I think so our friendship grew.
11th में एक छोटा phase आया था, rough patch in our friendship. But then we bonded.
But ठीक है भी.
Aditi के friendship में rough patch आया था, पता है? I think 10th class में आया था. और कुछ तो हुआ था और हमारा झगड़ा हो गया था ब्रो। आदिति मेरा फोन नहीं उठा
मुझे
रही थी वापस।
याद नहीं है मुझे ब्रो, उस टाइम तो मम्मी का फोन होता था यार, फ्रैंकली।
कुछ तो हुआ था और झगड़ा हो गया था और हमने कहा था ठीक है बात नहीं करो।
रिश्ता बहुत बदतमीज थी, मैं सुधर गई थी, but रिश्ता कंटिन्यू टू बी बदतमीज ओनली, शी डिड नॉट चेंज।
Fuck bro, I'm changed now. Now you tell me to go anywhere, I'll come with you,
But
okay?
no, I admire Ishita. Like I want to be like Ishita ऐसे कि तुझी I don't care वाला attitude मेरे को चाहिए। मैं उस दिन एक दिन कॉल पे बोल रही थी कि I don't want to be so ऐसे gullible, नहीं चाहिए मेरे को।
Bro, it's good, but sometimes I feel, and I work constantly on it, like it's good to be, very self-centered. I know that. But I feel sometimes for people who matter to you, you need to adjust, and that's what I'm trying to do. Because otherwise I'm very self-centered. मतलब मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता. But now I'm like, if I continue like this, then nobody is gonna be there for me. So I'm like, no, if people matter to me, then I will be there for them, not act the self-centered personality. But for rest of them, I'll be like, I don't care, to be honest.
For me, you both like balance me in two different ways. ठीक है, Ishita is someone, she'll tell me the truth and she'll keep me grounded. ठीक है, वो मेरे को ऐसे delulu और fake scenarios नहीं create करने देगी. ठीक है,
मैं
she'll
डुडू में
say it
रखती
to
हूँ
my
तुम्हें।
face. ठीक है, she'll say it to my face. ठीक है, and Aditi is like she'll actually listen to me and she'll be like कि मतलब I think Ishita will show me the reality straight. वो बिल्कुल मेरे delusions को 2 सेकंड के लिए भी tolerate नहीं करती है. ठीक है,
मेरे
and
स्वीटनेस का फायदा उठाना।
and you both I think balance this thing कि one will straightforwardly tell me and one is like कि कोई नहीं you can मतलब in a good way. ठीक है, which is necessary क्योंकि I need someone to support my delulus also now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true.
For me, I think is if I ever go for advice to Aditi is like, यार मैं क्या ही बोलूं? और sentence is always, यार तुम देख लो. I'm like, bro मुझे देखना ही होता. तुम्हें
But frankly, bro, you know what happens now? You come to me for an advice, okay? And first time I'll give you the advice. First time I'll give you the advice. But again, you'll come to me for the same advice. Then I'll be like, देख लो भाई, अभी देख लो. अब मेरे को नहीं पता.
That is what friendship means, right? I will come up for advice, same advice 10 times, and you still have to give me advice.
No, friendship is like if you talk to me about the same thing 100 times, I'll listen to it. But I would eventually stop telling you what to do क्योंकि तुम सुनोगे नहीं मेरी बात.
Yeah. So that's what I do. I
But still
listen,
support
but
your delulus.
But
yeah, I do.
even if you just one scenario, okay, you also told me 10 times the same thing, and I still give you advice 10 times. I rephrase my advices with different words, but I did give you advice. See,
Bro,
that's
but
the energy I put.
एक मिनट, I would like to point out, जो मैंने एडवाइस मांगी थी, मेरी एडवाइस का सोल्यूशन और प्रॉब्लम सब हो चुका है सॉर्ट. I have moved on.
Okay,
Your advice is still lingering from past 1.5 years. I'm like, no.
let's not talk. Okay. Bro, okay, I get it. I'm just saying. Okay, my bad. I'm bad, sorry.
You're not bad. I'm just saying, I'm still here giving you advices. And
But
sometimes if I say
Priyanshi,
कि देख लो.
but Priyanshi, there is a very good thing. Whenever I was with Priyanshi and I had to had a heart-to-heart conversation, bro, Priyanshi was always there, awake with me until 4 a.m. And I cannot rely on you for that. You will sleep. And you'll be like,
No, that's so wrong. That's so wrong. That is so wrong.
मैं
Just
अपनी
because
सो
you
जाती है जल्दी यार. I agree
Bro,
with you. वो
No,
तो
just
जाती
because
है.
you guys have not stayed with me, like
yeah.
as for a longer period of time, we have not stayed together. You guys don't know me. मतलब वरना I am a person. If you are like worrying or if you have to like talk about something, I'll be awake whole night for you if you want me to. But I need to see that seriousness in you guys.
Okay, बच्चों वाले part में Priyanshi and I align more. We are more adventurous.
maybe.
Yeah.
मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना, प्रियांशी के साथ हार्ट टू हार्ट मेरा ज्यादा हुआ एज कम्पेयर टू यू. मतलब मेरा तुम्हारे साथ भी होता है, बट मेरा तुम्हारे साथ तब होता है जब मैं एकदम ही शिट में होती हूँ. आई एम लाइक अभी तो बात करनी पड़ेगी. बट प्रियांशी के साथ होता है नॉर्मली हम बैठे हैं और बात करें, वैसा वाला है. और फिर प्रियांशी काफी अच्छे इनपुट्स देती है ब्रो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग तुम नहीं देती, बट मेरा तुम्हारे साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं हुआ उस टैंजेंट पे.
I like to give advice to you guys because I don't want you both to be in a space which I have been. So I want कि you should not go through it, and if I've learned something from my experience, I want कि तुम लोग मेरे से ही सुन लो rather than going through it like and learn through my experiences.
और मेरे को तो लगता है मैं तुम दोनों के साथ ही उतना ज्यादा नहीं रही हूँ. So I think so I've had my share of memories and fun with
different people. Yes, I know you don't have.
We are not at all jealous.
Yeah, I am not at all interested. First of all, to know, and I am jealous also. The one thing that I hate is, if my friends are only my friends and I cannot share them with anyone. And that is the problem. Aditi's friends with everyone. Not everyone, but she has other friends also. And I'm like, no, why? And then she posts pictures. I'm like,
God.
And Ishita will send them at the group at 3 at night.
yeah. I'm like, mm-mm. I'm the jealous kind of a person, bro. I cannot share my friends with anyone. So why are you friends with us still? Because I also don't know. I want to know.
I am friends with you guys still because you guys have been such a great friend. And the fact that this friendship has stayed, I want to give all that credits to you guys only. Because frankly, I am a very bad friend according to me.
We will
I
take
can
it.
Yeah, you guys should take it because
I
I'm giving
did.
it to you guys. Don't say no. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि भाई मैं इतनी बेकार दोस्त हूँ कि I'll be there for you guys. ये मेरे को पता है कि ऐसे कुछ bad moments हैं, you guys
But
need
how will
me
you
for
be
any
there when
help,
you
any
don't
support,
answer the
I'll be
calls,
there.
bro?
But exactly my point. The fact
But
कि
you
from
have
my
to
heart,
talk about us, not you. हमारे बारे में बात करो.
हाँ तो मैं तुम्हारे बारे में पॉइंट पे जा रही हूँ कि from the fact कि from my heart I am there for you guys, but whenever you guys call or मतलब text me, I am not available, and you guys are still okay with it, and you have still continued to like have still continued to take me as a friend. So I am very glad, and I think so that's the reason I'm still friends with you guys. Priyanshi is now making faces because she's like अभी भी अपने बारे में बात कर रही है. But I think so with Ishita, I believe कि इशिता के साथ क्या होता है कि इशिता के साथ again I can be so true to myself. ऐसा नहीं है कि with Priyanshi I cannot be. But इशिता के साथ कुछ भी बकचोदी ऐसे मेरे को बकवास करनी हो और किसी की बुराई करनी हो स्पेसिफिकली, तो वो ज्यादा मैं ऐसे उसको ऐसे गालियां दे करके वो कर लेती हूँ. एंड विद प्रियांशी अगेन एज प्रियांशी सेड मेरे लिए कि उसको अगर डिलुलू में वो करना होता है तो प्रियांशी इज समवन कि अगर इफ आई एम लाइक नॉट फीलिंग राइट एंड आई एम नॉट फीलिंग ओके, ठीक है, समटाइम्स बिकॉज इश्ता नाउ दैट यू मूव सो फार एंड समटाइम्स देयर इज अ टाइम डिफरेंस और हमारी उतनी बात नहीं हो पाती है विद प्रियांशी हमारी पढ़ाई की भी वजह से. आई कॉल हर एंड आई एम लाइक क्रिबिंग अबाउट लाइक कि नहीं हो पा रहा है ये या फिर anything in life, like anything in general, and she'll be there to like just explain me. और प्रियांशी की सबसे अच्छी चीज की bro, she picks up the call. और वो फोन नहीं उठाएगी तो वो फोन मतलब she'll text you कि that she'll call you back, and she does that, which is such like you're such a gem of a person, bro. Like this is something which I really really adore in you, and you do that, and then you'll call back, and then you'll make sure कि ठीक है हाँ chill करो, कुछ नहीं होगा, हो जाएगा, and that is the best thing. Like if I need a call wherein I'm very sad and I need to like motivate myself, I'll call Priyanshi. So yeah.
Yeah. So what do you learn from Priyanshi is my question.
What do I learn from Priyanshi? That I should also be there and pick up calls
You're
of my.
always there, okay, in our hearts. We know that you're supporting us, but pick your phone up.
Yes, I will.
What do you adore in me? Nothing. And that's what I got from the conversation.
Why you are the fun friend? You are the fun friend.
यार मतलब I don't understand भाई हर इंसान की जिंदगी में मेरा एक ही रोल होता है बकचोदी भाई मतलब कोई मेरे को सीरियसली नहीं लेता.
Because that's a vibe, Ishita.
But
Bakchod.
I said I take you very seriously.
Yeah, but you said that I don't support your delusions.
Ishita has started. She has started giving some realistic advices. Actually, yeah, I have seen this lately. पता नहीं, maybe from personal experiences or what, but
Yeah.
this has happened.
I think I think as a person this is what I have observed about myself and analyzed. Ki, even when I know that you would like a delusional advice at this point, but I am like,
Yeah.
if I be delusional with you, I want you to be successful. At the end of the day, at the end of the day for me, it's like I want my friends to be successful, and I don't want them to give ऐसा कुछ support any of the delusions जो उनका success hamper करे. So I'm like, I'll be true. I want them to be successful. That's my thought process. भले मैं अपना खुद delusional उसमें हूँ, but I'm like, no, my friends have to succeed. I will see मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. Would you like to give any advice to anyone who's struggling with friendship? Or any advice related to friendship for that matter? Yes, please.
Friends who do not take your ghosting personally, like they know you need your space and they called you but you're not available. They never take your moods personally. Matlab ki they don't have to make it everything about them. Sometimes you need space and still they are there. I think they are the real ones and you need to keep them in your lives.
I think my learning is, you don't see your friends as your competition. There's no competition in friendships. So I think it should be a very organic friendship where you support each other to be successful and not like, I need to be more successful than my friends. I think for me, it's like I want to be successful for sure, but I want my friends to be successful too. So I think
Yeah.
that's about it.
Like grow yourself and also be
Also,
happy when others grow.
yeah, and also help others to grow. Of course, your friend,
Yeah.
not like pure dunya ka you need to bear the burden, but yeah, for friendship, I think there should be no competition. Okay, guys, with this, we conclude the unfiltered episode of Sip Happens with us. And guys, please, I request you, if you're watching our episodes, please leave a like and leave a comment, and please subscribe to our channel. Like,
Please, guys,
please,
please.
guys, please. I need likes and comments. Okay,
Bye, guys.
bye. Take care.
Have you. Take care, guys.